Hey guys, it's Chris with Life After 50. Let's go to the gun range. Okay, it's no joke. Guns are no joke. This thing is empty. I've checked it 2 or 3 times. That's part of the reason I'm going to the gun range. I've been in the desert with a friend twice, shooting, learning from him a little bit, seeing all the other idiots around that are shooting. So that's why I'm going to the gun range, hoping to not have to deal with that. Also, I want to get some tips from the people that work there, and I also want to learn how to aim properly. Going out and doing this kind of shit ain't gonna work. You want to hit the target you're aiming at, so that's most important too. So anyway, it's off to the gun range to learn something and have a little fun. Life After 50, like and subscribe. What's up guys, Life After 50. I'm here at the Pro Gun Range in Boulder City, Nevada for my first time at a gun range. And it's probably my 3rd time shooting. The guy here that took me down here and set me up is really cool. I let him know I was a newbie, and he gave me a lot of good tips and was very helpful. Don't be an idiot. Guns are no joke. It's a serious thing. So he even told me how there's a hole in this building where people used to work, and now they don't because some idiot put a hole in there. And it went out the other side, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. It's not like the movies where a piece of wood is that thin is going to stop it. I think there's another one around here somewhere. Let me see if I can find it. I think this one, head high. So take your gun safety seriously, but do it because it's important. It's your rights, and you know, if you need to defend yourself, your home, your family, whatever. Better to have it, not need it, than need it, not have it. That was a quick adventure, but it was awesome. Learned a lot from Remington is his name, I just found out. So if you're here, ask for Remington. He's super helpful, especially if you're a newbie. I will be back. I feel a lot better about the safety, and I feel a bit better about my aim. I actually got it pretty good. I gotta learn this sight. He was telling me it's not the greatest sight, but it was a medium price gun, I think about $350.